Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tools. And in this video, I will show you how to create a new document. And this is completely a beginner guide. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, after open up your CorelDraw software, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File right here. Then when you click on File, navigate to New right here, and a dialog box is going to. So having clicked on New, and the dialog box is going to pop up right here. However, there are shortcut key by which you can use to get to this place. For you to use a shortcut key, just press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. As far as CorelDraw 2026 is concerned, this is how the interface is going to look like. Okay, so here you have some template right here that you can simply choose from. Then, if eventually you do not want to create a custom layout for your design, and you can easily go ahead and select any of the templates right here, and it will automatically be reflected and set as your own personal layout. However, you want to create a new document entirely. What you want to do here is to come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and name your document. So I'm going to name this as testing template. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do here is to determine how many pages you want to create. If you want to create multiple pages, click on here, and the more you click on the up arrow, it increases the number of pages. So if you are creating just one page, just go ahead and make sure you hide that one page right here. So just like so. Now, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and determine the color mode of your design. So whether you want to create a print design, it has to be CMYK. If you want to create web graphics, it has to be RGB. This depends on the kind of layout you want to create right here. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and check on the dimension. And then here you have to make sure you choose from whether millimeter, inches, point, pixel. There are much more information as far as dimension is concerned. So I'm going to put it in inches. Then when you put in inches, then you have to set what exactly the size of that page. Let's say you are looking at something like 5 by width, and I'm looking at the height should be 7, or let's say height should be 10. Okay, now we have it right here, so which simply means that this is 5 by 10 inches. Okay, now you can decide to work on the orientation layout, whether you want it to be either of portrait or landscape. So whichever way you want, you can go ahead and choose any of the orientation right here. So in this tutorial, I'm leaving it in this particular portrait right there. So when you put it in portrait, you have it right there. Then the resolution of the design. So it is always recommended that you put your resolution to be 300, most especially if you are printing the design. So select 300. Once you are done, then you are good to go. Come down below right there, hit on OK, and in a few seconds, the page is going to create based on your layout set. Just like what you see right here, so we can drag and bring out our layout settings right here, just like what you see. Now we have successfully created a new page entirely as far as this particular tutorial is concerned. So you can go ahead and start your design. So this is what I have for you as far as how to create a new page document for CorelDraw design. For more tutorial about how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.